Hi, today we're going to be exploring this Owltron 1080p Wi-Fi smart camera. First, let's check out what's in the box. I've just opened the box and let's see what's included. First, we have the brick, the power cord. It's probably about 6 feet, and this end will plug into the camera, and then this end plugs directly into the charger brick, like that. There is a wall mount. It opens up, and then there are little holes here, and it goes directly to the wall like that. Hardware for the wall mount. It's a little ruler that's included, and this is meant for just the QR code pairing, so it's just a little guide for that. And last but not least, here is the camera itself. Everything is very well packed, so there should be no damage when you do receive it. There's a little protective thing for the lens. The bottom has some non-slip pads to prevent it from sliding around. And we have our instruction manual, full of details, front and back, in order to get us started. Here we go. You'll first see a little red blinking light, and with that, the camera will tell you that it is ready to pair. Wait to connect. And we should be able to get going. So I'm going to connect it to my network. So as I move, the camera moves with me, and it lets me know that there is motion being detected. So I can choose whether or not to have these alerts on. I can choose whether or not I want it to follow motion or just stay in one area. This can also be wall mounted, as it does come with the hardware, as I explained before. So if the position isn't good for you, you can definitely wall mount it, and it's meant for that because you'll notice the head does not rotate upwards unless I manually move it upwards. So it might be better sort of hanging upside down, and then you can flip the picture so that when you look at it on your app, it ends up looking the correct way. So I can flip it. This is a pretty cool little camera, and hopefully it will be able to catch my animals in the act of being naughty. Plenty of times they destroy things on the floor here. And so I actually really needed something that kind of moved with the animals themselves. But aren't they just ever so peaceful? Here's the camera. Already trying to find some action, and the dogs. Motion and sound alerts look like that. Now you can add the camera easily to your home screen. Once it's all set up, you'll have quick access directly to your camera. You could do it for every camera and then go directly into that particular camera. This is my phone screen recording. I can turn the image into full screen and control it directly from my phone. If I want to set up alarm notifications, there's many options, and it's actually fairly simple. How sensitive do you want your alarm to be? People or people and pets? Would you like it to track motion? And if you'd like it to keep an ear out or schedule those recordings. I need to know if my camera's not working. I also choose to have the app notify me if the camera is offline for more than 30 minutes. It's all available within the settings of the Little Elf app. You can most definitely share your camera viewing with another user. Share directly with another account that's already established, or send an invite through text. To get the most out of this camera, it is best to either purchase cloud storage or purchase and install a TF card directly into the camera. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the Owltron 1080p Wi-Fi smart camera, and it's constantly looking for some motion to interact with. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.